44. Find the first three terms of AP. See here, question I'll write here again. The sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms. How you have to do? Okay, it's very important. First you have to read question 2 or 3 times, then you will understand what he given. So keep textbook in front of you, then see it. Okay, now AN formula, it has to be remembered. AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, it is the formula for AN. Now I want to write A4. In place of N, what is there here? 4 is there. That's it. A plus 4 minus 1 into D, and you can write this as 4 minus 1, you can simplify and you can write it as A plus 3D. A8 I want to write it. A plus 8 minus 1 into D, and 8 minus 1 you can do, and it can be written as A plus 7D. Next is A6. A6 you can write as A plus 6 minus 1 into D, and it is A plus 5D. A10 you can write as A plus 10 minus 1 into D, and you can write it as A plus 9D. So why I wrote A4, A8, A6, A10 means in this question 4th, 8th, 6th, 10th, like this 4, 8, 6, 10 they given. So A4, A8, A6, A10 I simplified and I wrote here. That's it. Okay. Now read the question. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. Sum means addition. So 4th and 8th terms, A4 plus A8, if you added, you got sum as 24. So it is how you got, you have to write inside the bracket since it is given. Okay. A4 means what you have to do? A plus 3D. A4 already you simplified and you wrote here A plus 3D. A8 also you simplified and you wrote here A plus 7D. This sum is equals to 24. For A, if you add another A, you are getting 2A. For 3D, if you add 7D, you are getting 10D. It is equals to 44. 2A plus 10D is equal to 44. In 2 and 10, will go in 2 table. You can take 2 as common. 2A plus 5D is equals to 44. 2 is multiplying A plus 5D. If you take 2 to that side, it will divide 44 by 2. And if you do cancellations, you will get 22. A plus 5D is equals to 22 is equation number 1. So with one statement we got one equation. Another statement they given for us, and the statement is the sum of 6th and 8th terms of AP is 44. Okay. So how we done the previous one? Same like that, you have to continue it. So according to given question, A6 plus A10 gives the answer as 44, the sum. A6 means in place of A6 you have to write A plus 5D, and in place of A10 you have to write A plus 9D. So these two, if you add, you are getting sum as 44, and A are like terms, you can add it to A. 5D and 9D are like terms, you can add and can get 14D is equals to 44. 2 and 14 will go in 2 table, you can take 2 as common, you are getting 2A plus 7D is equals to 44. And this 2 if you take to that side, it will divide 44 by 2. So here 24, not 44. First one is 24, next one is 44. Here 24, here 24, here 12. Okay, here 44 is correct answer. So second equation you are getting A plus 70 is equals to 22. First equation you got as here A plus 5D is equals to 12. Okay, and second equation is A plus 70 is equal to 22. These two equations I'll copy here. First equation is A plus 5D is equals to 12. Second equation is A plus 7D is equals to 22. what I want to do is I want to solve these two equations. Solving means you have to take a subtraction. So plus a minus a will be cancelled. From 7d, if you subtract 5d, you are getting 2d. From 22, if you subtract 12, you are getting 10. So d is equals to 10 by 2 and d is equals to 5. You got d value as 5. If you know the value of d, you can calculate a value. A plus 5d is equals to 12. A plus 5 into d means here 5 is equals to 12. A plus 25 is equals to 12. A is equals to 12 minus 25. A is equals to minus 13. So a value we got as minus 13. So first term is minus 13. He asked to find out first three terms or not. So I want A2. A2 formula is A plus D. A is minus 13 and D is 5. So minus 13, 5 means you are getting minus 8. It is A2. A3 if you want A plus 2D. A means here minus 13. 2 into D means 5. Minus 13 plus 10. Minus 13 plus 10 means minus 3. So A3 is equals to minus 3 got it. So A1, A2, A3 we found and we got this one. So like this you can do some important problems. Okay. Now I want to derive one equation here. So how to derive a formula for sum of n terms, we'll see it here. So sum of n terms formula, already I said that Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula for sum of n terms. Okay. Now how we got this formula, just I'll explain once. See it. Okay. First what I am doing is Sn. Sn means what is first term here? A plus A is first term, A plus D is second term, A plus 2D is third term, etc. Last term becomes A plus n minus 1 into D. It is sum of n terms. See here, what is A first term? What is A plus D second term? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus etc. An is sum of n terms. Now what I am writing is same sum of n terms only, but reverse I am writing. Last one I am writing as first. What is the last here? A plus n minus 1 into D plus. So its previous term. So its previous term becomes A plus n minus 2 into D. Its previous term becomes A plus n minus 3 into D, etc. And its last term becomes A. See here, how you are getting n minus 2 into D is, this is A plus n minus 1 into D, and again from this you have to subtract D because common difference you are going on adding or not. If you want to get its previous term, this term minus D. Minus D means D and D if you take as common, n minus 1 minus 1. N minus 1 minus 1 means n minus 2. You will get this one. Okay. Now what you have to do is these two should do addition. These two you have to add. So for one Sn, if you add another Sn, you are getting in LHS 2 Sn. And first term I am adding here. What is first term here? A. What is first term here? A plus n minus 1 into D. These two are equal. See, Sn is equal to Sn is equal to. What I done is, I wrote here it is from first to last and last to first I written, that's it. So these two if I added, I am getting 2a plus n minus 1 into D, I got it. Now second term and second term if I add, okay, I will show this addition in one rough paper. Okay, so how to do addition I'll show to you. One is A plus D, the other is A plus n minus 2 into D. A and A are like terms. For one A, if you add another A, you are getting 2A plus, okay, 2A. For one D, n minus 2 into d, means in this 2 you can take d as common. 1 plus n minus 2 into d. Okay, minus 2 plus 1, if you are adding 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So again you got 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These two if you add. So you are getting 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Third term and third term if you add also, you are getting 2a plus n minus 1 into d, etc. Last term if you add also, you are getting 2a plus n minus 1 into d only. So now how many terms are there means n terms are there here. Okay, see here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus etc. 10 5s are there. The sum becomes 10 into 5. Like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus n terms are there. The sum becomes 5n. Like that 2a plus n minus 1 into d, how many are there here? 2a plus n minus n are there. So their sum becomes n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d only. It is 2sn is equals to. Sn is equal to, if you want, n by 2. This 2 is multiplying here. If you take this, it will divide 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. 2a I can write as a plus n minus 1 into d. And I know that n by 2, okay, a is first term, a plus n minus 1 into d is last term. So n by 2 into a plus an is also gives a sum of n terms in AP. It is formula derivation. Okay, you have to learn this also. It is important for you. Next,